You ever feel like you get caught up in the whole idea that there's never enough of what's going on in your life? I mean, really, have you thought about it? Have you recognized it when it happens? I will bet that you're like most people, and you'll have that kind of a thought at least twice before you even start your day. You wake up and you immediately think, I didn't have enough sleep. And then you think, oh, I don't have enough time. And then before you even put your feet on the floor, before you make it to the shower or start brushing your teeth, you're already in this idea in your brain that there's just not enough of anything, that you're in a scarcity a mindset. And the truth of it is, there's enough of everything. You do get enough sleep. There is enough time. But we don't do that. And the moment that we put ourselves like that in the morning and do those first two thoughts, then there's never enough of anything. I mean, think about it. You put a post out there and you haven't had enough likes. You sit in your office and you don't get enough phone calls. You did 3 gigs for the week and you don't have enough money. Your kids aren't cleaning up enough. You don't have enough time for your wife. You don't have enough of this and enough of that. And all of a sudden your whole life is just awful, because if there's not enough, then more than likely you're not enough. And that's not true. It just isn't. You are everything you are, and it's perfect, okay? And in the morning, you can change that as you open your eyes before you have that first thought, or when you have that first thought, change it. Man, I had a great night's sleep. I got enough sleep. And man, I've got tons of time today, and I have enough time. Try that the next time you wake up in the morning. Make a note and put it next to your bed. Make sure that that's something you see. Maybe the word enough does it for you. And then as you go through your day, start to recognize how many times you don't think there's enough going on. Because if you're if you're living in the world of scarcity all the time, then how can you succeed? Because you can't when there's not enough likes, or enough money, or enough time, or enough gear, or enough clients, or enough phone calls, or enough of the part of the day, and I'm so tired because I didn't get enough sleep. How can you be successful? You've already decided you can't be. You cannot be. Okay? You can be. This is a mindset that's important. Can it be the only thing that you change that changes your life? I think there's a little more to it. But this is a big deal. Most of the people that I talk to on a regular basis that tell me that they are having a tough time, that their business isn't this or isn't that, or their life isn't this or isn't that, it all comes down to they don't think they're getting enough of what they want, or enough of what they need, or enough of whatever is going on. And the truth is, man, you're awake, you're alive, and the world is enough, and you are enough in it. Each day you'll want more, each day you'll get more, and each day it'll always be enough. And as you know that, as you see that, your life will get better. I promise. This is one piece that if you make a serious change, could make a serious change in your life, man. Why don't you give it a try? Tell me what you think of it. Put it in the podcast notes below. Send me a note at bill@billherman.com. And if you want to know more about the entertainment experience, go to entertainment-experience.com. Our sponsor, the workshops. I want you to be a part of it. Until next time, I'm Bill Herman, and this has been the Creative License Podcast.